Alright, go. Yeah, and this is why I hate Scorpion. I thought you were gonna do that under fire move. I thought you. Oh yeah, just keep doing that under fire move. Mommy, help! He keeps burning me on fire.
Round 2. Fight.
Let me get closer. Oh crap. I don't get that either. I bet your head hurts. Oh crap. I think so too. I think he just broke my rib cage, so yeah. Like. Ouch, 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 ouch. Fireballer. Ow, that hurt. Forward, down, forward, Y. Aww. Yeah, go to hell. And